Happy morning, children. In the previous class, we had discussed about one of the features of physical features of India, that was about northern mountains, and it has got three ranges. That is Karakoram range, the Himalayan range, and Purvanchal range. And we studied what are their features, what are their types, and classification and importance of northern mountains. Like it protects us from the natural barrier and monsoon winds, and it's a source of many rivers, forest, and medical herbs. All those things we studied, and which are the different states is covered by the northern mountains as well. And we ended up the previous chapter, that is northern mountains. In today's topic is about the new chapter, that is chapter number 4, northern plains. It is another physical features of India, and in that we will be studying about the extent of northern plains, that is the how the northern plains is covered by from which state to which state, how long it has been stretched out, and what are the rivers it has been covered by, and so on. So children, the map which you are seeing is the states that lies in the northern plains of India, or you can say that the northern plains which are the state covers is Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal until Assam. From Punjab to till Assam, which is the northern plain regions of India. So children, as we saw in the map, it has been covered by from Punjab till it has extended till Assam state of from Punjab to Assam, the northern plains of India. So now coming to the further information, we'll see what is about the overall about the northern plains in detail. So coming to the northern plains, it is one of the physical features of India, as you all know. So it has a green band towards the south of northern mountains, and as you saw in the previous slide about the northern plains, which has been covered in the India map. So they extend from Punjab in the west and to the Assam in the east, which we saw. The total length of the northern plains is about 2,500 kilometers. The total strength or the out till the extent of from Punjab to Assam, the kilometer is of about 2,500 kilometer. So children, the total length of the northern plains is of about 2500 km, and it is extended from the state of Punjab in the west and to the Assam in the eastern part of India. And there are several rivers have been originated or and drained by many rivers. These northern plains are being drained out by many rivers, and which has the birthplace of which originate from the mountains in the mountains, but and they bring along with them like silt, sand, stones, and clay. All these are deposited as sediments on the banks of the river, and thereby it makes the land very fertile, which is helpful for the agriculture. So we can say that the rivers which are originate from the mountains, and they bring along with them not only the water, it's silt, sand, stones, and clay, which are needed for the agriculture purpose. And the rivers that flows through the northern plains includes like Satluj River, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. Here the tributary is nothing but a small river that flows and merges into a big river. So for example, a tributary is nothing but a small river that flows and merges into a bigger river. We call it as tributaries. Now coming to the river basin, meaning of river basin. The area watered by a river, area covered by water called river, and its tributaries are the small rivers is called a river basin. So river basin is nothing but the area which is covered by a water river, and it's along with the small rivers, that is tributaries, is called a river basin. Now coming to the river basin, we have three kinds of northern plains. Like the first one, Satluj River Basin, River Ganga Basin, and the Brahmaputra River Basin. These are the three river basin which we see in the northern plains of region of the India. So children, so far we studied what are the Features of the northern plains, that is, it is located toward the south of northern mountains. It extended from the state of Punjab in the west